We have got a really easy FIMO make for you today. It's this mountain paintbrush holder.
If you like this video, please do give us a like and subscribe. And don't forget to go over to the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub where there are loads more crafts that you can do.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make it.
You will need FIMO in shades of green, blue, black and white, parchment paper, a rolling pin, Mod Podge, and a glue gun or some strong glue. To mix, roll the colours together into a sausage. Fold and twist and roll again until you have an even colour. You'll need 4 balls about the size of a cherry tomato in different shades of blue-green. Roll each ball out to a thickness of about 5mm, then cut each one into slightly different sized triangles. Take a piece of white clay. This should be about double the size of the coloured balls. Roll it out so that it is as fine as you can get it. We are rolling our clay between 2 sheets of baking parchment to keep it nice and clean. Cut off one end, then cut a jagged line about 1 centimetre down, like this. Peel away the strip of clay, then place it on top of one of the triangles and press down around the sides. Repeat for the other triangles. Then trim the edges to neaten. Press down with the paper to flatten a little bit. Place the FIMO on a lined tray and bake for 30 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius. When baked and cooled, add a layer of Mod Podge to the mountains. Then arrange them so that they are stacked like this and glue together.
So there we go, a really easy and useful FIMO craft to make.
Head on over to the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, there's loads more ideas on there for things that you can make out of FIMO.
See you next time.